Hello guys, I'm on the allotment. I see what I told you about birds and cabbage. I accidentally left my cabbage covering open, and look, these birds, these pigeons, wood pigeons, get caught in it. Oh my days. I'm gonna free them though. Don't want them to eat the last cabbage that's in there. Look, poor little mite. Oh my God, he's struggling. Let me help him get free. Oh dear. Come on, birdie, I'm gonna free you. Look, come on. Come on, birdie. Go, go, come on. Come on. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, mate. Come on. Jump. Jump. Come on, go that way. Go, 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 go. Hooray! One is free. Hooray! Oh, you poor little thing. He's a big bird. Seems really tired though. Okay. One down. The second one to go. Come on, buddy. Come on, go. Let me go over this side. Come on. Let's get you out of here. Come on. Go the other way. Come on. Oh, poor thing. Come on. Go. Go, 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 go. Hooray! Freedom!